In today's video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about adjacent angles. So if we have a problem like this that says which angle is adjacent to angle DBE. So let's understand what adjacent means. Adjacent angles share a vertex and a side, but no interior points. So they would have to share this vertex and one of the sides here. Okay, so let's identify angle DBE. So how you read these is like this. So you look for D, you find the vertex B, and then E. So DBE. That's usually how they're labeled, okay? So the vertex is in the middle when we label these, okay? So now, like we said, adjacent angles share a vertex and a side, okay? So I would think that this would be the adjacent angle. Let's see. Yes, adjacent to angle DBE. This is the adjacent angle. It shares a side and a vertex. So the angle adjacent to DBE is angle CBD. That's how you write it, CBD. The vertex is in the middle. And that's it. That's all there is to adjacent angles. And don't worry if you don't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. And in the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video. So you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, if you need extra help, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. And please make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for listening.